Good day everyone. Learn how to uninstall Windows updates in Windows 11. So after updating Windows, you have got some issues and you want to undo that, you want to uninstall it. You can do a system restore and you can also uninstall the updates in your Windows 11 laptop or desktop. So to do that, you need to do a right click in the start icon and then go to settings. You can also click on the start icon and then go to settings. Now the last option will be Windows updates. We will click on that. And then you will find get latest updates, paused updates, update history. So we will click on update history and minimize everything from here. So you can find the quality updates, driver updates, definition and other. And just below that, we have under related settings, uninstall updates. Now, the moment I click on that, you will find all the updates which you have updated recently and which is uninstallable. So I can see there are two things which we can uninstall. In your computer, you must have a different thing. So you can check and uninstall if you want to, and this is how you can uninstall the Windows updates in Windows 11. All right. So if you find this tutorial helpful and if it has given you a value, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.